what's the setup on the S10 here?
I got a 6-liter in it. It's actually a different 6-liter now. Had a little nitrous explosion earlier this year. Blew the intake apart, so now I got to put a new intake on it and got the heads redone and put it back together, and then realized I had a couple bad lifters. So now I got a whole different engine out of a Yukon Denali 2006 parts truck I bought. Pulled the motor out of it a couple weeks ago, painted it up, put a cam in it, put it together, and just got it tuned last weekend. Sounds pretty good.
Okay.
Good, good, good.